race car. Thank you so much for sending it to us. This is it here. This is the box. You can probably hear it playing in the background. Here's the little remote and what it comes with on the back.
Mollie, sit there.
And here is the car. It's a nice big car, nice and sturdy.
Right. This one goes forward.
And it's fast too.
And if you push that, it goes backwards.
Wow. We've had a few remote control cars in the past, but this one's nice and sturdy. It's really fast as well.
Look.
And the remote control is really cool.
No, look. This bit here. No, look. Look. The wheels turn when you turn it. So if you... Mason, you can't play with it yet. Right.
Wow, that's fast, isn't it? Let Mollie have a go. Good boy.
Okay. It's only that one done? Is that one?
It's just showing you, Mollie. It's so cool. It's definitely the best one we've ever had. All the other ones we've had have been, that we've bought, have been cheap, but this one we've been sent by an amazing toy company, and it is so cool. Nice and fast, nice and sturdy. The wheels move. A cool little remote control. Little screen. Do you like it? Is it fun? Is it fun? See, they're too busy playing.
I didn't do that bit.